Importance of human anatomy. Cadaver dissection, a timeless tool in medical education. Imagine learning surgery, but never touching real human tissue. Sounds alarming, right? Cadaver dissection has been an irreplaceable method for centuries, offering future doctors first-hand understanding of the human body. It bridges the gap between textbooks and the real complexity of living anatomy. Dissection provides tactile learning, feeling muscles, nerves, and organs fosters true comprehension. It's not just about structure but also about variability. No two bodies are the same. This hands-on experience imprints lessons far deeper than any image or virtual simulation can achieve. Cadavers are more than medical tools, they represent profound human generosity. Each donor gives medical students an invaluable chance to learn, preparing them for careers that save lives. Their contribution is a living legacy of knowledge advancement for future generations. While tech advancements like VR enhance understanding, they cannot replace cadaver dissection. Dissecting helps students develop essential manual skills and respect for human intricacies, making it a foundational and timeless tool in medical education. It's a learning experience that stands unrivaled. Cadavers aren't just bodies, they are teachers of unparalleled value. Whether you are a medical student or a practicing doctor, cadaver dissection practical knowledge is invaluable. Like, share, and follow this channel for more insights and exam courses on human anatomy.